I'm standing in my newly created show garden at Chelsea, and I'd like to share some ideas that you can take home with you. The first thing is really thinking about colour. All the materials in this garden have created this colour palette of pinks and subtle yellows. By having this cohesive colour palette, the whole garden has a very strong and calming atmosphere. Another top tip would be, what shapes are your plants? Are there any negative spaces in between the trees? Can you use any existing trees in your garden and can you prune them so that they have these really beautiful spaces between the branches? At Chelsea, it's very tempting to really stuff plants into every spare inch of your garden for impact. But I believe it's really good to give each plant its place and its space so that you can really appreciate the outline of an iris or an allium. Probably a really unusual feature of the garden are our use of planters. We dug a hole in the ground and filled it with a waste-based render and just let it air dry. And these look amazing when you plant them up with succulents. And they just bring colour, structure, again, atmosphere and detail. Those are my top tips to take home from Chelsea.